Hey, little Happy. Oh, you don't even know what it is. Let's see what we got here, Happy. Something you've never tried is some plum organics, pear, spinach, and pea organic baby food. Come here, see what it is. I'm going to open it because I know you can't. You're just a baby. Look, come here. Where are you going? You're not getting this on me. Look. What is that? Oh, do you like it? He's like, man, that's not tasty. Here, let's try this, Happy. Here, look, let's get him a spoon of it. That's not the most yummy looking stuff. It is spinach and peas. Are you rejecting it, Happy? He's like, I want to try it, but I just can't. Happy, you're gonna finish every bit of this. This reminds me of the Brussels sprout incident when I was like 7. I still can't eat them. Look, Happy, come here. What if it's on my finger? Absolutely not. How bad can it be, Happy? Happy, I'm going to have to take your side on this one, buddy. You sure you don't want to lick some of it off my finger? He's like, nah. Happy's reaction was right there where he pushed my finger away was the perfect. Gage, I should wipe this on you. Yeah, that was the perfect reaction. We'll see if Boo wants it. And I got to know that if he likes it, we'll do a video of him eating that. I don't like it. Happy said me neither. Monkey Happy has rejected his pear, spinach, and pea puree baby food. Happy, I can't say that I blame you, buddy. I tasted it and it's not tasty. Well, Happy, can you still be cute and tell everybody bye and say thank you for watching me? He's giving you guys kisses.
That don't open that way. Come here, Oz. Want to try one? What's that? Go ahead, bro. Check that out for me. What'd you think about that? Is it delicious? Yeah. In the words of the great Monkey Boo and Uncle Pete, that is some tasty organic pea crisp. Shout out to my buddy Monkey Boo and Pete. Always a pleasure working with them guys. They are a lot of fun. If you haven't checked out their channel, definitely check it out. They got a new little baby capuchin monkey named Happy. And he is cute as ever, guys. I'll tell you what. He is one cute little capuchin. He's a funny guy, too. He does a lot of smiling. Him and all their pals, they were hanging out a little bit yesterday. There you go. On the 10,000 subscriber competition contest, giveaway rather, I am still going through all the shares. There was a lot of shares and a lot of mentions, so I'm still going through them. Haven't forgot you guys, and we will get those prizes out to the winners, and I will announce them as soon as I decide how many and who has won. There was a lot of shares, and I thank you guys very much for that. I appreciate it. Is that good, bud? Let me have a little bite. Let me try that. Let me try that one. Let me try this one. Delicious. Yeah, you gonna hang on to that for me? Okay. Keep it safe, alright? Uh-oh. I got you, bro. Here. You gonna get comfy first? Alright, come here. You can have that one. You don't want it? Well, come here, check out the stuff. You got a whole little... yeah, so... those don't go there also. He's all jumpy and playful. What you getting? Are you getting them? Let them see you get them. Crazy boy. So I've discovered that Ollie likes knots also. This is supposed to be eating video. He's not eating out of the lake. Oh man. Come back. Don't go so close to the edge. You're gonna fall, Brian. So, turns out he likes the package. Yeah.
Happy Easter, guys. Monkey Boo and Pete here, and today we're going to let Boo open his Easter basket. What's in there, Boo? Let's open it up and see. Oh, what is this, Boo? Hold on, let me watch. Let's see. Some softy dough. We'll have to check and make sure you can play with this, Boo. Look, we'll have to see if you can make sure you can play with this. Look. Okay, what else you got in there? What else? Look, what else is in there? What else is in there? No, a bunny rabbit. Okay. A rock, Boo. You love rocks. Here, let me say. I'll save the rocks for you. Keep going. What else is in there? Look, Boo. Oh, there's a bunch of rocks. What'd you find something to eat too? And look, Boo. Who's that? Who is that, Boo? What is that? What you got? You hungry? Ooh, organic Cliff Bar. You can have these kind. You love these, don't you? You heard a doggy? Let's keep looking. Let's see what else is in here, Boo. See, look. Some pistachios. Oh boy, a ball. What kind of ball is it, buddy? Look, Boo, you got puzzles. You think you can do one of these Oh, there was stuff in that egg. We're getting ready to do an Easter egg hunt, Boo. He's found food. What else is it? Look. You got some puzzles, Boo. In a book. Green fork. We might do a bedtime story with Boo with this book, huh? You think? Boo, look in the bottom. Look down there. Oh my goodness. Look, Boo. There's stuff in everything. These eggs have food in them, Boo. What's in this one? Looks like some dried veggies. You're eating dried pineapple there. And a perfect size tennis ball for Boo. Look at all the rocks, Boo. Look. You know you'll play with this stuff in a car. You're just interested in the food. Here, get these rocks. You're getting them raisins that fell out, ain't you? It's a pretty cool Easter basket, but you know how you love rocks. You'll play with these a bunch. What is this, Boo? Look. Hello, monkey. What is it? Look, but catch it. Catch the ball.
They're not bad. They're not good. Peas, huh? Wanna try it? He said, you eat my... You're just like a kid. Oh yeah, I am. Oh, you decided to come to work today. Yum. Oh, the peas. I know, it don't smell like nothing, does it? Uh-oh, you dropped it all. Here. He's got me. He's taking me for a walk, guys. Yeah. Is it good? Yeah, you kind of like it? Oh, don't fall. Where you going? How do you like that little pea, Chris? Something else? Is it good? You're not sure? I'm not sure if I like it, guys. Okay, I like it. Yeah? You don't know? Alright, alright. Let me unchoke myself once more. Yeah, least regrets. I guess he went down both ways. It's a good job you're not bigger. I might have been a necklace there. Yeah, you found it? A little crumb. One little tiny ollie morsel. Maybe it's just too big. I need to break it up a little bit. Let's try that, guys. Let's try to break it up a little bit. Maybe it's too big for him. Let's try it this way. Oh, let's see. You are just a little guy. Here. How about a nice big thin piece? It's kind of delicious. Try that one. Yeah. Uh-oh. Here. There you go. Good job. You liking that? Show them. Yeah. Yeah, you got some pea crisp.